Oh la la! Welcome to Bila Ceramics Water Filter.
Oh la la!
Ah!
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is the final output. Neng, itest ang filter na ginagawa. Should-win. Tapos ilalagay detach. Ayan. And then, we put water here. Sister,
Pasti.
Palagtutut na.
Then,
oh. And then, this one inside will absorb the water here. Will go here. And will filter the water and then it will drop down there. There! Oh my God! There already! It's very clean! Oh my God! Kahit na rainwater ilagay mo,
Rainwater
filter niya. Ay, ito, rainwater daw ito.
Oh, so pwede nang we can drink that rainwater na? Oh!
Yes! Magic! Kaya, buy na! Okay, the water that we put here, 2 liters, and it will filter down there for 2 hours. See?
And how much?
This one will cost you 800 pesos only. It's very cheap. Kasama na yung plastic, ganitech. And if you want, we will put water for you.
The rainwater or
Yes.
river water will do?
Any kind of water. This is the cover included in the 800 pesos. Very cheap. You don't need to boil your water. Just put here and then wait there and then get 2 by 2. Drink na. This one is available here in Bila Ceramics Water Filter Detached Building at Kubasan.
Anhi, March 1 dit ay sa iman utublaad na Bila ceramic water filter. Tatyanahan kel na iman ututuan mi hinan na product ako. Organa at umihi 600.
Wow, 600.
Amen.
Uh-huh.
And may kabilad na hat mautohi 7 hours.
7 hours for how many degrees?
900 degree.
So, okay, munus usar gayam hi sulane. Hinon na ganito na kami is sulane gas. Ay, mautuhin na nai. So, adipay that 7 hours, makonsumhan dua?
Duay utuhan dua.
Oh my goodness, so that's a lot.
Tulo.
Tulo. Thank you so much for the learning and fun we had today. Nagkakapi na pala ito. Dato na, ugay na pay lang kauto. Kailangan mauto. So, ready to cook na, to bake. You know, how do we say that? To bake danaan. So, kailangan nyo na mag-order. See the difference. So, yan na.
Ito ang nauto, ito ang raw.
Ang raw. You can tell.
Itech, may tunog siya. Yung naluto, ites, medyo wala.
Ay!
Flower pot.
Okay. Yeah, kahin kanak no flower pot hap-hapon nyo. Molders pa lang mga yun. So, guys, you better order for your water filter organic.
Pwede ang wholesale.
Pwede ang retail. Wholesale is, well, how much is wholesale?
750 according to our boss.
Oh, 750 and retail is 800 or depends on how you talk with the manager. Manager na ito, lo. Yeah. So, yung mga nagtutour, nagpupunta ng pulis, ng binuhas dito sa Bauko, do not fail, do not forget to drop by here at Bila Ceramics Water Filter and buy your filter. Only here in Bila, you cannot find anywhere else but here. The only place that does the ceramics. This is the factory actually. Ceramics Water Factory. Only in Bila, Bauko, Mountain Province. May libre pa silang pakape. Brewed coffee. Free. Saan pa kayo? Kundi only in Bila Factory. Oh wow, they even have all this kind of organic dessert. Plus, organic pot for cooking. Where else can you find all this but here in Bila Water Ceramics Factory?